Hello, young friends. Good evening. I am Rajinder Jatana. I am coming up with solution of first case study of your class 10th maths. Why the case studies are being given to you? The only reason is that this helps you to develop your logical skills and rational powers gets increased and you are able to decide the things in a right way. And this is very helpful practically in your life also. And I am very sure that after attempting few case studies which I'll be bringing almost on daily basis, and you'll find that by learning this and the solutions are made very easy for you. Keep on watching my videos. Thank you very much. I'm coming with my notes. Hello friends. I have come with my notes and I am giving you solution of case study number 1. Now, this is a case study. Tree plantation to control pollution. This is the objective. And the case is the class 10th students of a secondary school in Rohtak have been allotted a rectangular plot of land for this activity, this gardening activity. Sapling or gulmohar are planted at a distance of 1 meter from each other on this side as well as on this side. I have given the markings. There is a rectangular grassy lawn. This is there in the plot as shown in the above figure. The students are having seeds for flowering plants on the remaining area of the plot. Now look here. The first question is, find the coordinates of Q and S. Look here. Q is 2, 3. It is 2 this side, 3 this side. S is 6 is this side and 6 this side. So it is 6, 6. So answer is 2, 3, 6, 6. 4 options are there. You have to opt one. Now find the distance between the vertices of Q and S. The vertices of Q and S. 2, 3, 6, 6. And you have to find the distance, apply the distance formula. Now I have done it for you. The distance between Q and S can be found by applying the Pythagoras theorem. Look here, from 2 to 6, the x part or the base is 4 and this one is 3. Perpendicular is 3. And hypotenuse QS will be 4 square plus 3 square root, that is 5. Next is, find the width of rectangle PQRS. Now look here, from here to here, from this is, length is your, this one is, you have to find the width of the rectangle. Look here, it is 3 here and 6 here. So 6 minus 3. 6 minus 3 will be 3. So it is option A. Next, if the point G divides QR in the ratio of 1:2, the coordinates of G are, so we will find by section formula. So on applying section formula on Q and R, we will get the second option. Look here, 1 into 6, 2 into 2. 6 plus 4, 10, and 1 plus 2 is 3, so 10 by 3. Let us go for y. Ordinate 1 into 3 and 2 into 3. So it will become this. So the second option comes. Next, find the area of the rectangle. Look here, length is 4, breadth is 3, the area will be 4 into 3, that is 12. Question is done. So you have found that these are very simple questions, and those students who are feeling fearful of it, they should shed off their fears. There is no need to having any fear to solve these questions. They are very, very easy. Only you need to know the tricks, and I shall be helping you in this direction in my coming case studies also, and hope you will like this and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye.